Hello everyone, welcome back to another English class. My name is Eduardo Cuba and I am your teacher for today. Let me share my screen with you guys. And you see right over here two photos of two different rooms, right? Awesome. Tell me please, is room A tidy or untidy? It is tidy, right? It is in order. Correct. Yes, it's clean. Perfect. And what about room B? Is room B tidy or untidy? It is untidy, correct. It is in disorder, it's not clean, correct. Look at all the trash on the floor, look at the clothes on the chair, right? Awesome then. So guys, what I want you to do right now, you see here different items, different objects. Name the objects from 1 to 10. Let's work on that. In today's class, you will be able to identify singular and plural nouns and practice the pronunciation of final S and ES. Let's keep on working. Guys, can you tell me what is a noun? Is an action? Is a characteristic? Let's see. A noun can be a person, a place, an animal, or a thing. There are common nouns, like for example, man, the school, bee, or shoe. And they can also be proper nouns, like Anne, Steve, Paris, or Asia. There we go. So don't forget, a noun can be a person, a place, an animal, and thing. There are common nouns and there are proper nouns. And also, nouns can be singular and plural. Awesome then. Like, for example, I can say a pen, I can say a pen, or I can say 3 pens. Right then. Guys, let's pay a lot of attention here. Let's practice the pronunciation of these words. A fish, a hat, a pen, a king, a zebra. Correct. And it says an apple, an egg, an igloo, an octopus, an umbrella. That's right. You see right over here before each noun, there is a word. Yes, we have right over here a and an. What are they? They are the indefinite articles. Correct. The indefinite articles, we're going to use them to indicate that there is a person, a place, an animal, or a thing. There is only one noun. There we go. And what are the differences, guys? Very good then. Awesome. You noticed quickly. Use A with words that start with consonant sounds. Let's practice again. Please, let's pronounce each word. It says a fish, a hat, a pen, a king, a zebra. Awesome. And use an with words that start with a vowel sound. Like, for example, an apple, an egg, an igloo, an octopus, an umbrella. Very good job, guys. Now, my friends, let's practice with these articles. We have right over here a word wall activity. What are you going to do? You are going to put the nouns with the correct article. Like, for example, cup. Where should we put it? A cup, correct. An English teacher? An English teacher. Very good job, guys. Please continue. Very good job, guys. Well done. We have just practiced with indefinite articles, and they are a and an. Correct. We use them to indicate that there is only one noun. Correct. But we mentioned that there are singular nouns and there are plural nouns, right? Great. The plural nouns, let's take a look at them. Here we have some rules. Remember the example that I told you? I can say, for example, one pen, and I can also say 3 pens, 3 pens. You see, 1, 2, 3, 3 pens. What are the rules for the plural nouns? The general rule says that I only need to add the letter E. If my noun ends in E, if the noun ends in vowel E, we are going to add the letter S. Now, if my noun ends in X, S, CH, or SH, we are gonna add the ES. So we got boxes, buses, benches, dishes. Correct. What if my noun ends in consonant Y? We're gonna change the Y for an I. And then we add the ES. Like, for example, babies, countries. Correct. Finally, guys, we got what we call the irregular plural nouns. These nouns, these irregular plural nouns, they do not follow a specific rules. There are no specific rules for the irregular plural nouns. In plural, these nouns, they change completely. For example, in singular, we can say child, but in plural, we say children. Correct. In singular, we say foot, but in plural, we say feet. That's right, guys. On this next exercise, I'm going to play an audio for you so you can listen to the sounds that we have read over here. Yes? Let's listen carefully, guys. Now, guys, let's remember something very important. Final S or ES after nouns ending in CE, CH, GE, SE, SH, double S or X, the S or ES, it's gonna sound like is. Correct? Like, for example, we can say in this case, right, glasses, correct, purses, or we can say watches. That's right. Perfect then, guys. Now, guys, on this next exercise, we are gonna practice the correct conjugation of the plural nouns. Do we need to add S or ES? Don't forget to pronounce the complete plural noun so we can practice pronunciation of S and ES. Let's start. In this case, for number 1, it should be right with ES, matches. Correct. What about the next one? In this case, it ends in double S. Right, we add the ES. And the pronunciation is dresses. Correct. Let's continue, guys.